Hi everyone, first of all I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I've been pouring my time and energy into a brand new course and I'm excited to announce that it is now live. Here's a quick sneak preview of what it's all about. Get ready to bring the rhythm, energy and groove of boogie-woogie piano to life. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to add some swing to your playing, this course will have you playing blues piano in no time. You will learn classic boogie-woogie left-hand bass patterns, essential chords, rhythms and techniques for that authentic blues sound, catchy right-hand licks and riffs, and even improvisation, with quick and easy to follow lessons that make learning fun. The course includes a bonus ebook that you can download and print off, with all the sheet music and lesson resources to aid your progress. Don't read music? No problem. I'll take you through everything we're learning step by step so you can copy, practice and then play. The course is designed to build up in stages, gradually increasing in difficulty, with the different stages marked with mini practice pieces that showcase what you're learning as you progress. There are also exercises throughout that incorporate what you're learning, enabling you to fully master the riffs, licks and techniques so you can play them with fluency, as well as giving you the freedom to smoothly integrate them into your playing. There's even backing tracks, so you can have fun practicing along with the sound of a blues band. And by the end of this course, you'll be jamming along, playing some impressive boogie piano. So jump in and I'll see you on the inside. If you like the sound of that, then you can get full access to it, along with the rest of my online courses, ebooks, posters, sheet music, etc. through the membership. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. And if you do, I can't wait to see you on the inside.